Today we are going to draw a cute little snail together. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Just follow the steps with me. It's very easy and fun. Step 1. Draw the antennae. These are the snail's antennae. Draw the main shape of the snail's body. Make a long, soft curved shape like a little hill. This will be the snail's head and body. Now draw 2 small dots on the head for the eyes. Under the eyes, draw a small curved line. This makes a cute little smile. Let's draw the spiral shell. Draw a big curved circle on the back of the snail. Inside it, draw a spiral line that curls around. This makes the snail's shell. Draw the shell stripes. Now draw a few curved lines across the shell. Keep going. These lines make cute stripes on the snail's shell. Coloring time. Now let's color our snail. You can color the body light green or yellow. Color the shell light green, blue, and yellow, or any color you like. And now we have a cute little snail. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.